Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be continuing from where we left off in the last video. In the last video, we basically finished the No Sanity 1 challenge, and this time we're going to start the head dump challenge. So let's get started. Alright, it says head dump. The author is Prince Neon Shuti, and the description says, welcome to the challenge. In this challenge, you will explore a web application and find an endpoint that exposes a file containing a hidden flag. The application is a simple blog website where you can read articles about various topics, including an article about API documentation. Your goal is to explore the application and find the endpoint that generates files holding the server's memory, where a secret flag is hidden. Then it says additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So let's just launch the instance. The website is running. Let's just access the server now. PicoCTF news. Alright, so we have this, and what was the description saying again? It's a simple blog website we can read articles about various topics, including, okay? Our goal is to explore the application, find an endpoint that generates files holding the server's memory where a secret flag is hidden. Okay. Okay, so let's just play around here. So this home, where does that go? It's just gonna take us back for an about us. We are a team dedicated to providing CTF challenges. Fine. Because again, remember, when it comes to web CTFs, it's always good to just see the layout of the site because it could give us some hints on how we could proceed. So those, what the services say again? We offer various CTF challenges and training services. Okay. And then we have these. Can read the comments? No. Likes? No. Okay. What does that do? What does this do? Okay. Log in Java. What does Java do? Okay. John Doe. This could have been simpler if I just looked at the source code. I'm just gonna go through every single one. This isn't. Alright, fine. Swagger UI. Nope. API documentation. Okay, this takes us somewhere. Okay, so actually before we go here, let's just go down and see what's happening here. So we have this hack one. Okay, that does nothing. Before we go there, let's just look at the source, see if there's anything there. Just go down. Nothing grabbing my attention right now, so I'll just close this. So let's just go back to where we clicked before. No, wait. That's it. They link to the same page, right? Just go back in. No, it doesn't. Okay, so okay, let's just go here. API documentation. Alright, it says we got this page. It says PicoCTF News API. Welcome to PicoCTF API documentation. This documentation provides a detailed overview of the available API endpoints. Okay, remember this is interesting. It mentioned endpoints earlier for managing, okay, and retrieving news posts. Fine. We have these ones that are free. Okay, we have. Just go down here. It's basically just it's a welcome page. Okay, first try it out. And then we get this body essentially. So So it just makes a GET request. Okay, let's just go down here. Okay, so this says head dump. So I think it said something about that earlier. That your goal is to explore the application, find the endpoint that generates files holding the server's memory. Okay, so that makes this diagnosing the memory allocation. Okay, fine. Let's just see what that is. Go down. Okay, if I press try it out. If I execute, what does it do? Let's give it a minute. Okay, so once we executed that, it gave back this downloadable file. So if I just download that, okay, I just access it using the terminal, so it's in downloads. Just remove these server stuff, so server, stupid term. Did I spell it wrong? What happened there? Okay, I already removed it. That's kind of weird. All right, so if I just cat this, so I have all of these. No, give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm lazy. Just give me a minute. Let me just go to the file system and then actually just see what's in there, so I can just view it directly. I'm just go to downloads. If I double click it, remember this is a heap dump. Okay, so it gives it a snapshot. Okay, this is a huge file, so this is a massive file. So the challenge said something. Let's just go back and read the challenge. It said something about it said generates files holding the server's memory. So that file's holding the server's memory, and it says that a secret flag is hidden. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna run I'm just gonna say cat, and I'm gonna say let's try to pull a Pico. Okay, so basically that basically allows us to look for a string of characters inside of a file. So I said look for anything that has Pico. We have a couple here. Nothing significant. Yes, right here. And we got the flag. So can I copy? Yeah. So I just put this in here, and that's the challenge. So that's quite interesting. This one is a bit different. Again, it's been a while since I did that one. So basically what we did was, again, we just went into the page. We found this part of the page that takes us to this API documentation page. And then in there's this, we access the file. We access the file that holds the memory. That's what it said. What did it say again? It was saying something about, yeah, we found the endpoint. And then we basically were able to find a file that's holding the server's memory, and then inside of that file we use the grep command to basically find a string in there that has Pico in there, so we can pull out the flag that's in there. And then we found a bunch of instances where we have Pico, but then we found the one that had the PicoCTF format of the flag that we were looking for. So that's basically it. Again, if you guys have any questions about the challenge I just did, please leave a comment. I'm gonna answer all of them. And yeah, so next time we're gonna continue from Cookie Monster secret recipe. And yeah, guys, have a good day. And leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Bye.